While you're looking at your tires, you can visually tell by just looking at them the difference in them. As you're driving your car, they will wear down over time. There's different things and different components on the vehicle that can help them and make them wear out faster. If you have a tire depth gauge, you can always check the depth with it and see what it measures at. As you can see, tires have a built-in wear bar on them. As you can see on this one, it's past the wear bars. Tire is completely worn out at that point. On this one, you can see the wear bars are still way down inside of the tread. So you can see they're sitting way down in there, which means there's plenty of life on this tire, which there should be because it's a brand new tire. On the one that's completely worn out though, you can tell that there's no tread left on this tire. It's unsafe to be driving this. It won't handle in snow. You'll just spin. If you're driving it and these are on the back of your car, you hit a puddle, you could hydroplane. There's all kinds of reasons to not drive on a tire with tread like this.